Maple's world of curiosity. When characters talk in a story you write, don't just use said. Let your words take flight. He whispered softly, she shouted out loud, he muttered low. She spoke clear and proud. She asked a question, he answered back. He replied with facts, stayed right on track. She called to a friend from across the way. There's so many choices instead of said each day. There are better words you can use instead to show how it's spoken, not just said. Whispered, shouted, muttered, replied, exclaimed, announced, demanded, cried. Asked, answered, snapped, complained, cheered, groaned, laughed, explained, called, begged, pleaded, joked, declared. Your writing shines when the tone is shared. He grumbled quietly, not in a great mood. She snapped right back, was a little bit rude. He begged for help, she pleaded too. They argued loudly, what would you do? She cheered with joy, he groaned in defeat. He sighed real slow, dragged his feet. She giggled softly, he laughed out loud. These words paint pictures, clear and proud. There are better words you can use instead to show how it's spoken, not just said. Whispered, shouted, muttered, replied, exclaimed, announced, demanded, cried. Asked, answered, snapped, complained, cheered, groaned, laughed, explained, called, begged, pleaded, joked, declared. Your writing shines when the tone is shared. Imagine a scene, you're playing outside. Your friend throws a ball, it hits your side. You feel upset, what might you say? Don't just write said, there's a better way. You yelled, hey, that really hurts. Or complained while brushing off the dirt. Maybe you snapped, or maybe cried. Your word choice shows what's felt inside. Here are some words that writers use. Pick the best one you can choose. Whispered, shouted, muttered, complained, cried, cheered, laughed, exclaimed. Each one shows a different tone, helps your reader hear it on their own. If I say, she blank, be quiet, please. What word fits best in a moment like these? If I say, he blank, we won the game. What word would match that burst of fame? If I say, she blank, I can't believe it. What word shows shock when she receives it? If I say, he blank, please help me now. What word shows urgency? Think how now, take some time. What words do you know? 10-second blitz, ready, go. There are better words you can use instead to show how it's spoken, not just said. Whispered, shouted, muttered, replied, exclaimed, announced, demanded, cried. Asked, answered, snapped, complained, cheered, groaned, laughed, explained, called, begged, pleaded, joked, declared. Your writing shines when the tone is shared.
Hi everyone, it's Maple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want a special shout out for your class, ask your teacher to fill out the form in the description below.